Everyone, welcome back to Chris Does Crypto. In today's video, we're going to continue the crypto portfolio builder where we dollar cost average $100 each and every week, looking to build a real solid crypto portfolio. We're going to dig into the crypto landscape, what's going on, and we're going to talk about the crypto portfolio. Obviously, have a look at where it is currently and what we're going to do to build it out for 2025's immense bull run. I'm expecting the biggest bull run in crypto history. Let me know if you align with that in the comments below. Hit the like button, subscribe. Let's go. So we're going to start here on coin market cap. I think this is the best place to start. The total market cap of crypto globally is up 3.11%. At the time of recording, stands at $3.64 trillion. I'm expecting this to be, closer to the $10 trillion mark come the peak of the bull run. And we can see, the market is turning green, which is really good. But we've got some real good opportunities. Last 7 days, a lot of these altcoins are still down quite heavily. So we're going to dig in, we're going to select, and I'm going to select live, right? But I want to put some of my reasoning behind, how I'm looking at the crypto market, why I've been looking at it in this particular way, and so on. So let's have a look at the current crypto portfolio that we've been building out. We are currently up, I think, 23.09%, but we'll confirm that in a moment. Chainlink is 23.09% of the entire crypto portfolio. Solana at almost 10%, Matic at 9%. ETH at almost 9%, 𝗬𝗢 almost 8%, Injective 7.39%, and so on. You get an idea, right? We've got some dust in here as well. Perhaps we need to, increase how much we hold of these altcoins. But I really do want to focus on what's going on in the crypto market and talk about what we could expect moving forward. It's going to be rather interesting. We've got Trump signs executive order promoting crypto, paving the way for digital asset stockpile. So this is talking about having a reserve, of digital assets for the US. I mean, we're talking real bullish stuff here, right? Trump is very positive crypto, and we're going to see some, deregulation. I think for every 10, for every one new regulation that is implemented, 10 are going to be removed or something along those lines. So this is like really positive stuff. The other thing that is going to be a really big turning point is out of the SEC. We've got repeals the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦 policy that restricted banks from providing custody services for Bitcoin. And this is a really, really big deal, right? This now means that we're going to start to see banks being able to hold reserves of cryptocurrency. So another real big positive. Now, I've said a few times, right? If we go back in time, we talk about the Bitcoin spot ETF and whether that was going to be approved or not. And obviously I said, I think it was inevitable. I also went on before the Bitcoin spot ETF, was actually implemented. I did say, next would be ETH, and we should expect Solana, XRP, Cardano, ADA, Chainlink, and many other, spot ETFs in the future. So, we've obviously had the Ethereum spot ETF. We predicted that. We predicted, everything that, has happened with that. But, next on the cards, for me are Solana, XRP, Chainlink, Cardano, and a few others. So, we're starting to see some real interesting stuff. And I want to talk about, future predictions, why we've built the portfolio we've built, and kind of, where my mind is at right now, because, I want to kind of bring people on a journey. The idea of this whole video concept was build a, strong portfolio, not one that's going to do silly amounts of X's, but, a safe crypto portfolio that anybody at home could follow along, realistic amounts of money being deployed. We were deploying $100, a week. That might be too much for many people still, but, even if you're doing $10, $25 a week, $100 a month, for example, you can still follow along. And that is kind of the idea here, right, with what we're building. But yeah, obviously you do that at your own risk and all that sort of stuff. This is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, and all that wonderful stuff. But look, this was something that was shared in our Discord, and if you're not in the Discord, you ought to be. You are missing out. It's absolutely free to join. So yeah, definitely do that. Join the free Discord. Now, what you can't see here, and let me just free up a hand here. Let's see if I can balance this microphone. Um, you you can see here this red bit on the screen here is everything made in the US is in this bubble here, right? And then you've got all these different bubbles, Grayscale's bubble, Coinbase's 50 index, bubble, and so on, right? And this stuff is rather interesting, and I kind of wanted to just share this because that American-based projects in this circle here, you've got to look at Chainlink. Chainlink is in all of the different circles here, right, or bubbles as we call them. But you look at all these American-based projects, right? Chainlink, Render, Stacks, Injective, Algo, Ada, Avalanche, Solana, XRP, Near Protocol, OP, SUI, File, BAT, like the list goes on. Now, I want to talk about this because, if we have a look at our actual, crypto portfolio, right, and we can actually see we've got Chainlink, American-based company, Solana, Ethereum, SUI, Injective, Aptos, Avalanche, like we've got a very heavy American-based portfolio. Stacks is in there, Avalanche, OP, like just to list some of them in here, right? Like I think it's really, really cool. The portfolio health as well, again, is above neutral, right? 76% medium risk, only 3.92 high risk, and 20%, over 20% is low risk in our portfolio, right? So for me, this is really, really good. If we look at the actual dashboard, it tells us that we are, total value of the portfolio is $4,747. We're up over $1,000, 27.45% up, and you can see the line there. Now, we started in like May, so May 5th, as then we started to build up the portfolio. But look, we've got to have a look at the market, and we've kind of got to decide, okay, what is it that we actually want to be investing in? Now, one of the things I like to do, when the market pulls back, is have a look at where the real value is, right? So I have it here last 7 days, and we have a look at like the biggest losers in the crypto space, right? We got Internet Computer as one of the ones that's lost quite heavily, right? And we should keep an eye on that one. But Injective 14.30%. I think this is the one, right? It's in that American bubble here, right, of projects that we're expecting to do really, really well. I did definitely saw it here. Yeah, look, it's in the 50 index for Coinbase. It's in the US section here as well. So I think we're going to add this project to our portfolio. If I can actually find where are we here? So down just under 15%, at $21.25. And if we have a look at our portfolio, it is one that we should probably look to add some more to. I do think that you could also argue that Stacks would be a good add, and yeah, like if you go down, maybe even AVAX could possibly be one to look at adding. So, matter of fact, let's go for 50% Injective and 50% AVAX. I'd like to get AVAX a little bit higher in the actual portfolio. It's a little bit low. We should probably, increase our position there. So let's go over to BitGet. There is a link in the description of the video if you wish to, add. Follow along and build a crypto portfolio like we are here. You can do it on the same exchange. We've got some really good deals, so go check out the affiliate link in the description of the video. So AVAX $36.10. We're going to go to market here, and then we're going to use 50%. If I can get that to the 50% of what we've got, which is what is it, like $50, just, yeah, $50.44. We go buy AVAX, we buy at market rate. So that's that done. And then we're going to go back up here and we're going to look at buying injective USDT pairing. Again, we're going to buy 100% of what's remaining. If I can pull the slider across, 50.44, and we're going to buy injective. So that's all purchased now. If we go to our order history, we're going to start, we bought 2.3 injective. So we're going to add that to the portfolio now. Add transaction, coin, INJ, injective. The amount that we purchased, 2.3. And then we're going to go save. So we're going to watch that move up the portfolio, I would imagine. Maybe not. It hasn't really sort of moved too much. And then if we go back here and we go to AVAX, so we bought 1.3969 worth of AVAX. Go back to the portfolio, add the transaction. I was looking at the wrong coin, that's why. AVAX. Let's add AVAX Avalanche. There we go. And then 1 point, sometimes it won't let me copy and paste it. 1.3969. There we go. And then we're going to save that. Now we'll probably see that move up. We do. It's now above our World Mobile Token holding and Aptos holdings. So yeah, look, I think it's very heavy American towards the top. You know, Chainlink, Solana, Polygon, Ethereum, Injective, Sui, Avalanche. You know, this is not by accident. It's not by fluke. I want to kind of illustrate that. You know, we said, you know, when we set this out, you know, we talked about, you know, the U-turn that the US was going to do. Obviously, we weren't to know the extent, you know, Trump getting in and, you know, all the plans that he has. But, you know, we have been heavy American, heavy, solid projects, great foundations that, you know, can go into the bull run really, really well. So yeah, look, I'm really interested to get your views and opinions. What would you have added to the crypto portfolio? Obviously, this is all unscripted. Goes wrong, it goes wrong as we're doing it. I'm just going to record it as is, really just to document the journey and highlight to you that you don't need huge sums of money to be really successful in crypto when investing. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, hit the like button. Join us in the free Discord, link in the description of the video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.